couple of great features that have been added to Canva. One of them is called templates, and it just gives you an overview of all the different templates in Canva by your search terms, by creators that you're following, what's new in Canva, that kind of thing. So for example, I have got this from creators you follow section. So you can actually follow different Canva creators. You could follow me if you wanted, so you get all of my recent designs will appear here when I add new ones in for you to use. You get a you may like option, different things that are trending, what's new, videos, presentations, logos. So it gives you a lot of options in this new template section. If I go back to the home page, the next one is projects. Now, this is where everything you create is saved. So you have all of your recent designs, you have all of your folders. So everything that you have created folder-wise, designs that you have created, images that you've uploaded into your account, different videos you've created. And I think, is there another one? No, videos is the last one. So videos, images and designs are all in here, but you also have the option to choose by the top menu bar as well. So you can find your designs very, very quickly by using this section. So something you've created, you think, oh, I need to find it. Where is it? You can come here and you can find it in the project section. I have some other things in my account like these because I'm a Canva creator, so I designed for Canva. These are my my sections. But then there's the brand section, the brand kit we've already looked at. You've got the content planner, which is a Canva's own scheduler for scheduling to social media, but again, it is a pro feature. There's lots of different apps you can connect to Canva direct. Smart mockups, which I absolutely love. You can now put your design into about 8,500 different mockups now. Absolutely brilliant section. This is quite new. And then you have all of the different folders that you have created, so you can find your designs again very, very quickly. So that's Canva's aim, to help make it easy and simple for you to design anything you want, to find it, to edit it, to download it, just to make it nice and simple. So us as business owners, we don't really need to worry about the design side of our business because we know we can use Canva for it. Okay, so that's just a super quick rundown of the menu. I just wanted to show you what was in that left-hand side menu.